Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another Jasmy coin video. And we start here directly on the 4-hourly chart. But before we start, right now, leave a like here on this video. And also if you're new, subscribe to my channel if you like this content and this video. So we start on the 4-hourly. And in my last video, I showed you that here, this could be a potential small W pattern, a double bottom pattern. But Jasmy has to come over the neckline that is actually here at the 786 Fibonacci level and also this red resistance line here. So first, Jasmy coin has definitely to come over this line. Right now, it looks like it's dumping again, but don't worry, maybe it's just retesting the EMA's ribbons. If you look on the RSI, it is right now, pretty neutral here, but so we go to the hourly chart. Here, maybe it's just retesting the 1 hour EMA ribbons. And if we zoom out right now, okay, wait a minute. Here also you can see a bearish divergence. So the price goes up, but the RSI is actually at the same level here. It goes a little bit down. So this is actually a bearish divergence. So that is maybe the reason why also Jasmy goes down a little bit here. But as I told you, maybe just to retest here the EMA ribbons. If we zoom out again on the 4-hourly, here's a little uptrend. So this could give Jasmy also a little bit support. And if we look on the daily again, so you know about the bigger picture about the cup and handle pattern. If not, check out my channel. There you will find a video about this cup and handle pattern. So on the daily, also this W pattern could still be forming, but the neckline would be actually somewhere here. So if Jasmy can break this level, or maybe let's make this a box here. So actually something in between this here. So in this area, if Jasmy can break this area, then the price target from this pattern would be at 0.0392. So also you can say this is a big W pattern with this neckline and this price target. So you see here are a lot of potential patterns that could play out, but for this, Jasmy definitely has to come, or more volume has to come in. So you see the volume is decreasing, and therefore we need some more volume for Jasmy. Just one more little thing. So right now, Jasmy is sitting here at below the 786 Fibonacci level from this low to this high here. So if you do another one, maybe from this high to this low, then the golden pocket would come in here at 0.0245. And here at the 236 level, Jasmy is getting a little rejection on the daily chart. So, guys, ladies, for right now, I think for Jasmy, they need definitely more volume to come in, that we can see higher prices, and that all of these patterns, this W patterns, can really play out. If not, hopefully this support line will hold and give Jasmy more support, as it does already a couple of times. Because you see, here is the most volume or traded volume come in. So this is the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So if Jasmy can definitely break this level, I'm more bullish on Jasmy as right now. Guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your attention. And right now, just two more things. First, leave a like on this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, go and subscribe right now to my channel if you are new here. If you want to trade, check out also my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix and Bybit. Registration just takes maybe 20 seconds, and then you can grab your bonus depending on your initial deposit. Just a little disclaimer at the end here. This is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. We see us in the next video. Nice trading, bro. I wish you a wonderful day, and bye-bye.